Hello, and thank you for joining us for the second week of our What's in Your Well series. My name is Dawn McShinsky, and I am one of the account managers here at Stratum Reservoir. I am personally based in one of the sweet spots for oil and gas, Midland, Texas, where we have a laboratory here in the heart of the Permian Basin. Also, we have resources and laboratories across the globe. It is with great pleasure that I introduce you to one of our incredible project managers, David Ifedon, who will open up our discussion on cuttings.
In days like these, where every penny counts, it's important to think outside the box. So why don't we start by getting those cuttings of yours outside of your box? Hi, I'm David Ifedon, project manager here at Stratum. And today, I'd like to talk to you a little bit about this free byproduct. Here at Stratum, our main focus is being able to help clients learn more about their wells and mitigate their risks in a cost-efficient manner. And using cuttings is almost as good as a resource as any other. Cuttings are an essential part in reservoir evaluation. They can help you determine completion methods while also identifying rock properties. Take 15 to 20 grams of material, for example, and that's enough to provide you with hyperspectral imaging. And with that, you can identify mineralogy and also discriminate your clays from your sulfates to your phyllosilicates and your hydrocarbons. And the good thing about this is that this is a non-destructive test. So if the amount of material is an issue, we can still use these for other testing. We can also provide you with XRD or X-ray diffraction from your cuttings. With only 2 grams of material, we can get you a bulk mineralogy, identify your clay types, and the amount of each clay in your reservoir. Now, having this information is very important to help you know how to treat your well in the completions phase. When you take our XRD data and you pair that along with our thin section analysis and SEM, that helps you identify the effects of mineralogy on your well logs. One of our main driving forces here at Stratum is to provide new solutions to old problems to you, our clients. And I think we've just done it once more. We can now provide you with petrophysical data from unconventional rocks, like your grain density, permeability, and total porosity, and even capillary pressure using cuttings. Now, it doesn't matter if this is an old well where you have cuttings that have been sitting for years, or a new well where you've been able to preserve some fresh cuttings. We've developed a methodology to yield the most accurate data possible from those samples. While there's a whole lot that we can do with dried cuttings, we can do even more with properly collected and preserved cutting samples at your well sites. For example, your gas composition analysis. By using the ISO jar, which is proprietary to Stratum, we can collect these samples, keep them in a sealed container, transport them to the lab, and collect the gas samples for analysis. Also, with these cuttings, only 1 gram, we can analyze the extract fingerprints, which analyzes your C components from C7 to C40. And it also helps to determine the quality of the hydrocarbon at your well sites. Also, with 1 gram, we can provide you with total organic carbon. So as you can see, there's a lot that Stratum has to offer using these cutting samples. On April 30th, we're going to be hosting a webinar, and we'd like to invite you to join us. We'll be sending the information on our LinkedIn page. Please tune in. But until then, please keep those precious little tidbits. Thank you.